Ever had that annoying sore throat that just won't go away? Wished for a natural remedy that you could whip up at home? Well, we've all been there and it's not a pleasant place to be. But what if I told you there was a simple do-it-yourself solution right within your reach? Welcome to our ultimate guide to 5 different herbal teas, each boasting its unique blend of nature's goodness, specifically designed to soothe that pesky sore throat. From the calming properties of chamomile to the invigorating zest of ginger, these teas are not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. And of course, the beauty of these recipes is that they are all natural, easy to prepare, and can be made from ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. So, ready to explore this world of healing herbal brews? Stay tuned to discover these soothing herbal tea recipes that could be your new go-to for sore throat relief. Scene script. First up, we have a classic favorite, chamomile honey tea. This soothing blend is a trifecta of simplicity, requiring just 3 ingredients: chamomile flowers, honey, and hot water. It's the simplicity of the ingredients that makes this recipe so powerful, each playing their part in creating a soothing elixir for sore throats. Let's start with the chamomile flowers. These dainty little flowers pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Not only are they known for their calming effects, but they also have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This makes them a perfect ally in the battle against sore throats, helping to reduce inflammation and fight off any unwelcome bacteria. Now let's move on to honey, a natural sweetener that's been used for centuries for its healing properties. Honey is a natural cough suppressant and can help soothe a scratchy throat. Plus, its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties can help boost your immune system and speed up healing. Finally, the hot water. It's not just a conduit for the chamomile and honey, but also brings its own benefits. The warmth of the water can provide immediate relief for a sore throat, reducing swelling and easing discomfort. So, how do we bring this all together? Well, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you'll want to steep about 3 to 4 chamomile flowers in 1 cup of hot water for around 5 minutes. Once the time is up, simply strain the tea into a mug, add a tablespoon of honey, and stir until it's completely dissolved. And there you have it, a soothing cup of chamomile honey tea, ready to be sipped and enjoyed. The calming aroma of the chamomile combined with the sweet, soothing honey makes for a delightful sensory experience, while the warmth of the tea works its magic on your sore throat. So next time you find yourself with a scratchy throat, remember this simple yet powerful chamomile honey tea recipe, because sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. There you have it, a sweet and calming chamomile honey tea to soothe your sore throat. Now let's spice things up a bit with our second recipe, ginger lemon tea. This invigorating brew calls for just 4 simple ingredients: fresh ginger root, a lemon, a spoon of honey, and a cup of hot water. These are things you might already have in your kitchen, making this remedy readily available whenever you need it. First off, peel and thinly slice a piece of ginger, about 2 inches long. Ginger is a powerhouse in the world of herbal remedies. It's packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe a sore throat and even boost your immune system. Next up, grab a lemon. Cut it in half and squeeze out the juice from one half. Lemons are bursting with vitamin C and can help break down mucus. They also add a tangy freshness to the brew, perfectly balancing the fiery kick of the ginger. Now it's time to assemble our tea. In a large mug, combine the ginger slices, lemon juice, and a spoonful of honey. Honey is not just a sweetener in this recipe, it's a natural humectant that can provide instant relief from a sore throat by coating it and reducing irritation. Finally, pour hot water into the mug, stir well and let it steep for about 5 minutes. This waiting period allows the flavors to meld together and the healing properties to infuse into the water. While the tea steeps, let's revisit the benefits of this concoction. The ginger and lemon work in harmony to cut through the discomfort of a sore throat. The ginger warms the throat and reduces inflammation while the lemon helps clear away mucus. The honey, meanwhile, gives your throat a soothing coating. It's a trifecta of healing in a cup. Once the 5 minutes are up, give the tea one last stir and it's ready to sip. Enjoy it hot and let the warmth and healing properties do their work. Enjoy this warming ginger lemon tea, a perfect blend to alleviate your throat discomfort. Moving on to an exotic blend, turmeric cinnamon tea. This vibrant concoction draws its strength from the heart of nature, combining the potent anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and cinnamon. So, what do we need to create this healing brew? Gather turmeric, preferably fresh, but powdered will do just fine. Cinnamon sticks or ground cinnamon, your choice. Honey for that touch of natural sweetness, and of course hot water. Let's start the brewing process. If you're using fresh turmeric, peel and grate it. For powdered turmeric, a half teaspoon is enough. As for the cinnamon, 1 stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon will suffice. Place these into a pot, then pour in a cup of hot water. Let your brew simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the water to extract the beneficial compounds from the turmeric and cinnamon. While that's happening, let's talk about what makes these ingredients so special. Turmeric, a golden spice often used in curries, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been studied for its potential to boost the immune system and alleviate symptoms of a sore throat. Now cinnamon. This aromatic spice is not just for holiday treats, it's packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties too. Plus, it adds a delightful warmth to our tea, making it even more soothing for a sore throat. Once your tea has steeped, strain it into your favorite mug. Stir in a teaspoon of honey, or more if you prefer. Honey not only adds sweetness but also acts as a natural cough suppressant, further soothing your throat. And there you have it! A cup of turmeric cinnamon tea filled with natural ingredients known for their healing properties. The warmth of the tea, combined with the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric and cinnamon, makes this an ideal drink when you're battling a sore throat. Embrace the healing power of this turmeric cinnamon tea, a unique elixir for your sore throat. Scene script. Next, we delve into an ancient remedy, licorice root tea. Once upon a time, our ancestors discovered the healing benefits of licorice root. This root, known for its sweet, distinctive flavor, has been used for centuries to treat various ailments including coughs and sore throats. Today we're going to tap into this ancient wisdom and brew a soothing cup of licorice root tea. Now let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a piece of dried licorice root, a spoonful of honey, and a cup of hot water. That's it. Simple, isn't it? But don't let the simplicity fool you. This tea packs a powerful punch when it comes to health benefits. To prepare the tea, start by crushing the dried licorice root into smaller pieces. You can use a mortar and pestle or a heavy-duty grinder. Crushing the root helps to release its potent compounds, enhancing the medicinal properties of your tea. Next, place the crushed licorice root in a teapot or a heat-proof container. Then, pour the hot water over the root, allowing it to steep for about 10 minutes. This infusion process is crucial as it draws out the beneficial compounds from the licorice root, infusing them into the water. While your tea is steeping, let's take a moment to appreciate the magic of licorice root. This root contains a compound called glycyrrhizin, which is responsible for its sweet flavor. More importantly, glycyrrhizin has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help soothe your sore throat and fight off the germs causing it. Once the tea has steeped, strain it into a cup, discarding the licorice root pieces. Add a spoonful of honey, not just for sweetness but also for its antibacterial properties. Stir well until the honey has fully dissolved. Now, your licorice root tea is ready to serve. Take a moment to inhale the sweet aroma before taking your first sip. Feel the warmth of the tea as it travels down your throat, soothing and healing as it goes. Savor the sweet and soothing licorice root tea, a time-tested remedy for your sore throat. Finally, we reach the end of our herbal tea journey. We've explored the calming essence of chamomile honey tea, with its sweet notes of honey perfectly complementing the chamomile's soothing properties. Then, we felt the zesty kick of ginger lemon tea, a true invigorating blend that not only soothes the throat but also stimulates the senses. We also embarked on a spiced voyage with turmeric cinnamon tea, its warm and earthy tones providing immediate relief to a sore throat. And last but not least, we discovered the power of the licorice root tea, a sweet and subtly spicy tea that is a true powerhouse when it comes to soothing an irritated throat. These 4 herbal tea recipes, each unique in its taste and healing properties, are your allies in times of discomfort. They invite you to step into the world of natural healing right in your kitchen. Thank you for joining us on this herbal tea exploration. Remember, the next time your throat feels scratchy, these natural elixirs are just a steep away. Until next time, stay healthy and stay soothed.